What's up, my girls, bros, and non-binary foes? Today we are playing demonology once again until I unlock the rock salt shotgun. This is day 4 slash part 4. I'm gonna be playing it each day. So today, we're doing Juniper Road again. Gonna be Nightmare this time. Last time I had to attend to something, so I kind of left early. So sorry about that. Let's see here. Perks. Jeez. 1,614 bucks. Oh yeah, and sometimes I play with my siblings and they don't really want to be on YouTube, so every once in a while I'm gonna be like a little bit higher of a level. Maybe not full level or like a little bit of XP or something. But, let's start. So, if today I do not get interrupted or have to do something, I will give you guys a full 3 rounds. I don't like that most of the doors were already open. That was creepy. Let's see here. Okay. Now, where is the... What was it? Oh, the thermometer. There it is. Wait, EMF reader on. Thermometer on. Nothing in here. Glass broke. Was that an illusion or something? No, that was not an illusion. That was actually broken glass. Oh, ghost orb. Wait, hold up. EMF 3. Door open. Okay, burnt cross. EMF 5. Man, I dropped the photo camera. Man. Oh, it actually worked. I dropped the photo camera. Well, there's EMF 5. And Ghost Orb EMF 5. Wait, Skinwalkers do not have EMF 5. Okay, so it's definitely not Skinwalker faking Ghost Orb evidence. What's the temperature now? 0.01 Celsius. Okay, let's place the salt down. Okay, what's the temperature? I don't know why I keep checking the EMF if I already know there's EMF 5. Open door. Lights on. I hate that all the lights are flashing. Jeez. Let's get the holy oil. I closed that door by accident. Yo, there's this little gap right here, and honestly, I do not know if the ghost can go through there or not, but honestly, I'm kind of scared if it does. So, just gonna place the rest. Can you guys comment down below if it can go through like those little cracks? Oh, nah. Nah. Okay. Wait, hold up. First of all, let's check. These have handprints, phantoms, and nightmares have spirit box. Okay, so where is the spirit box? Wait, hold up. First of all, let me try and glitch this through. Same with the black light. The spirit box I'm just gonna grab. Now, I'm not really sure if it's gonna work or not. Did it work? Oh, I think it worked. I don't know where the ghost went. Oh, those interaction, okay. Oh, jeez. That scared me. Oh, man, that's a 1-star photo? Really? Disturb so. Oh, well. We know it disturbs some salt. I'm just gonna hide in here and spam the spirit box. What do you want? Blah, blah, blah. This is this. That. Hello, ghost. Can you talk? Ooh, it got mad. These have spirit box. So we can cross out withering, ghost driving, using temps, always projected, because, yeah. Man, the black light. I can't grab the black light. So hunt over. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's over. Where if it starts to hunt us soon. Okay, now where's the black light? Here it is. Okay. As much as I hate this, I have to. There's Prince. We know what it is now. We know what it is. It's a phantom. Yo, where'd the ghost go? I saw it. Oh, there it is. I dropped the photo camera. There we go, I picked it up. Yo, where's the ghost? Yo, I picked phantom, right? Died. Jeez, I'm gonna lose like $100. I got greedy and tried to take a photo. Well, at least I know I got the evidence right. Okay, well, 8 minutes just for one round. Jeez. Well, at least I got it right. Now let's see here. I'm gonna do that once again. Juniper Road, Nightmare. Let's see here. Where is it? Crosses. Holy oil. Salt. Photo camera lighter. ODR scanners. Okay, I think that's it. Do I have the customer twice? Yep. Start. This is the second round. I think I may only do 2 rounds. Still not sure. Jeez, well this time I'm not going to be greedy. And why in the world is my energy at 0.3%? Oh wait, never mind, it rose. My energy rose, okay. Where's the thermometer? Ah, there it is. Okay. Unlike one of the doors was already opened. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Ghost orbs. Hello? Ghost orbs? No? Okay. No ghost orbs yet. Did it start a hunt? Hold up. I can't tell. Yo, it did. Bro, I put the crosses down. Is there any ghosts that where the crosses don't work on them? It's still not over. Okay. Oh, what do I do? Hello? Hello? You there? You there, big boy? You really, freaked me out. I could have sworn I heard something. Oh! Jeez, that freaked me out. That freaked me out. Seeing that makes me think that the ghost room is this room for some reason. 2, 4, 4, 276. So 6 at the entrance, 3 over here. 260, blah, blah, blah. Negatives, freezing temps. Living room, ghost room. We got it. We got him, people. We got him. Hold up. So we know there's freezing temps. We can cross out ghost orb because there wasn't any. Let me just place this closer. I can even check one more time. Okay, time to grab some evidence. Not evidence, some equipment. Maybe I should place the salt first. Gonna place some salt. Oh. Yep. Bro's angry. Can you throw the salt away for me, please? Okay, let's see. Jeez. Well, we know there's freezing temps, and that's pretty much it. Now, where is that holy oil? Where did I place? Ah, here it is, here it is. The cross burned. Well, this ghost really hates me. Now, I'm just hoping it's in the living room / dining table, and not in the hallway. Oh my gosh, I swear for this. Yo, grab me the black light. Where's the black light? Black light. Ah, here it is, No, get me in the closet. And I'm a scaredy cat, so I'm gonna hide. Yeah, it teleported. Oh, man. Took a picture too late. Oh, never mind. I guess it counted. Well, it spawned outside of the living room, so I'm guessing it's in the hallway. Or it changed rooms into the kitchen because it spawned in here. Help. Evidence. Okay. Well, it's over. Hello. Okay, it's over. Definitely over. Alright, walk through the salt. No prints. Okay. Take a picture of the salt. For money, take a picture of this chair. Ooh, I think the ghost room is either in here, the kitchen, or maybe in the office. Photos. yeah, I forgot completely took us out. What's it called? Ghost orb, not ghost orb. I mean, what's it called? Whatchamacallit? Handprints, yeah. Was it over? No, it's definitely not. I'm trying to make it come over here to see if it has EMF5. It was over? Yeah, it's definitely over. Oof. I'm just gonna grab this black light because I'm a scary cat. Okay. ODR scanner. Which you're there. Now let's see here. Onis have laser projector and spirit box evidence. Specters have laser projector and EMF5. Skinwalkers have freezing temps and ghost writing / spirit box ghost writing spirit box. Revens have EMF5 and ghost writing. These dual hints have laser projector and withering. Onis, I think I said that one, but I'm not sure. Yo, so I'm not actually sure in what room it is. Because I'm pretty sure it changed ghost trims, so. Yo, I see no red dots in here. Okay, just got. Wow, that freaked me out. Yo, where is it? Or should I get too cocky and step out because last time that's what got me killed. Literally. Yo, hold up. Ooh! EMF 4, no EMF 5, so that leaves Oni. Can you quiet that? Oni's, Doolahans, and Skinwalker. Okay, so Onis have Spirit Box and Laser Projector. Skinwalkers have Ghost Writing / Spirit and Spirit Box. And Phantoms, hold up, have Withering, Freezing Temps, and Laser Projector evidence. Laser Projector and Withering. Jeez. Ghost, you freaked me out with that whale. I think that's a whale. Oh, hold up. Onis have more. Onis sprint during hunts. Can't really tell if it's sprinting. I don't even know where it is. Yo, is it sprinting? Yo, I think it's sprinting. Yo, should I risk it for the biscuit and say that it's Oni? I honestly kind of want to. Okay, it's over. Check in here. Nothing. Okay, now just gotta wait 10 more seconds. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 7 seconds. Why did it actually work? 6 seconds. Oof, that scared me. I dropped my photo camera when I meant to take a picture. Jeez. Where'd it go? Oh no, where it went. Hold up. Man. Oof. I keep dropping the photo. Well, it's not in the office. After this hunt ends, I'm gonna check in like the hallway in general. Oh, you know what? I think I may know where to spawn. Wait, hold up. It's over. It's still flashing lights. Just making sure. Okay, it is. No red dots, surprisingly. Still not sure what in the world its room is, but yo, hold up. Did I just see you walk through? Wait, where's the laser projector? Could have sworn I saw like a little faint thing walking through here. Wait, hold up. Is it possible for the ghost to be in like in the hallway as its ghost room? Honestly, not sure. Okay, hide in here. I'm a scaredy cat. When did you pass away? Do you want us to leave? Are you in the room? Blah blah blah. Just gonna spam it till it responds. Yep. I think it got angered. Let's see. So honestly, I do think it's an Oni. I saw that little faint thing, so I'm guessing it's an Oni. You know what? I'm just gonna say it's an Oni. Call it a day. Still not honestly sure. Hold up. Oh, I forgot. I walked through. So did I already take pictures of that? Yes, I did. Let's see here. Is it over? Okay, it's over. Let's see here. Ah. Ooh, that scared me. Jeez. Whee. 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 Yo, I'm gonna just risk it for the biscuit. Too bad I'm leaving. Wait, hold up. Did I lock an Oni? Yes, I did. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Let's see if I get it right. I'm gonna close my eyes. I swear, if it was a Doulahan, I'm gonna be so mad. If it was a Doulahan. I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. It was a Doulahan. Of course it was. Of course it was a Doulahan. Well, goodbye, guys. Have a good day. And next time, maybe I'll do a big map. Because maybe you guys are getting bored of Juniper Road. I don't know. We'll see ya. Have a good day. Have a good rest of your life. Hope you have amazing day. Good grades, everything, whatever. And follow Jesus. I don't know. Goodbye.